Hey guys, Half Chrome. We are back again to talk about the latest leaks from our buddy Osita LV. Are they leaks? Are they not? We'll find out. We're going to talk about the Phantom 5, the Phantom 4 version 2, and the Mavic Pro 2. Stick with us. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So starting off, we're going to talk about a cool image that came out a few days ago, a screenshot, some kind of leak. What's that all about?
All right, so it looks like the Phantom is getting some better props. So we know that the Mavic Platinum was released with these propellers that have this different tip that make it more efficient and quieter. Looks like those are coming to the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.
Yeah, so version 2, kind of a weird name and would be a new name for them.
Maybe it's a Platinum or something like that. New ESCs as well, so maybe it's a little bit more efficient, a little bit more powerful, fly a little bit longer, we'll get something.
Pretty much inevitable. We've been waiting for these upgraded props. Why are they not on a Phantom yet? So it's just been a long time coming, really. Expect to see it on the air as well. You know, why do they leave it out? Well, so they could make another 20 bucks for me later, I guess.
Yep.
And yeah, we expect it to have updated ESCs. Why not? They did it once. Why not do it again? Get another minute or two of flight time, a little bit quieter. It's all good.
Yep. All right, so on the Phantom, it looks like the Phantom 5 is progressing along. Chris, tell us about that.
Well, Osita, our buddy, if that's how you say your name, Little Bear, over there in China, he's been saying for a while that the Phantom 5 is going to have removable lenses. I do personally think that makes sense. I do see it coming as a natural progression. He's shown it starting with a 15mm lens all the way to 50. Now, he said that's a 15mm equivalent. Don't think that actually makes any sense. You're going to see a lot of legs, a lot of props with that. However, I redid some math. I took another look at it, and at 15mm actual focal length, that's about 25mm equivalent when you're on that smaller 1-inch sensor. So actually does kind of make sense. 25mm, right in line with the Phantom series and other DJI drones. So why would you want to go with a 50mm lens? Well, so you can do better inspection work, really, is what I think. You can zoom in. You want to see a serial number on the side of some antenna up on a tower somewhere or something. People are using these Phantoms for inspection work because it's so much cheaper, so much easier to get around than something like an Inspire. So longer focal length, good for some of those applications.
All right, so we have heard some other things. Those seem more like speculation, but those leaked images of the lenses, I think those are pretty legit.
Yeah, they look real. Some comments maybe back from DJI or someone at DJI saying it's just a proto drone, but they look pretty legit. Why would you spend that much time and effort on a concept that you're not going to sell a lot of? So we're hoping that's going to be the Phantom 5. Time will tell.
Yep. All right, so what about the Mavic? What do we know about the Mavic 2, Mavic Pro 2?
So as we mentioned before, the Air kind of puts the Pro in a little bit of an awkward spot. It has some upgrades, obviously some features that are better on the Pro still, but we really see a nice niche for a folding drone that can do more than the original Pro or Pro Platinum. What is the latest news from Osita on that?
So like we said before, it's going to get these sensors on the back. So originally Osita said no, probably not. Now he's saying that it will. What does all that mean? It means maybe the people he's talking to have confirmed that they've put the sensors on the prototypes, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think people will say, oh, he's wishy-washy, changes his mind. Really, I think it's almost more confirmation that he's actually getting some information. It makes sense that the first prototypes, maybe it was just a firmware upgrade or new boards or something, and they might have been using something like this or a scaled-up version for early prototyping. So yeah, somebody saw the wrong thing. In our mind, it was obvious it was going to have rear obstacle avoidance. You're not going to release the Air and not put it on the 2. So so maybe he's getting some early information just based on kind of early prototypes. So yeah, they're putting in rear obstacle avoidance. That's his latest suggestion. Seemed pretty obvious to us that was coming. What else? He gave us some speed numbers, some flight time numbers.
Yeah, that's all artificial. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be faster. It's gonna fly a little bit longer. Yada yada.
Yeah, not all that surprising. It's probably a lot of guesswork there. Or if it's not, I mean, another 2 minutes of flight time. We're not going to get all that excited about that.
Although we'll take it.
Yeah, sure. We'll take some flight time. But what's really interesting is the new camera features, and we don't really have any new information on that. He's still saying it's going to be a 1-inch sensor. Remains to be seen. Tough to fit that on a small drone. So if that is true, we certainly see the Mavic Pro 2 being a much larger drone than this guy, the original Mavic Pro.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on halfchrome.com.